Some stock markets all around the world have had their worst day in years.
A new year and a new you, and maybe you're looking for a way to make some extra cash this year.
So we are going to have more homes, but you're not going to get...
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I got a few questions asking me what are prop firm challenges. And in today's video, I thought I'd make a beginner's guide explaining what exactly are prop firms, what are all these challenges you probably see on YouTube, and how do you actually make money? So for those that are new to the channel, welcome. I'm a full-time trader and I've been trading for a number of years now. I trade my personal capital, but I also trade with prop firms as well. I started this YouTube channel to document my journey and hopefully help a few people along the way. I'm currently funded with a few prop firms like FTMO, Funded Next, FXify, Funding Pips, and Blue Guardian Capital. So I do have a bit of experience with these prop firms. So prop firm is short for proprietary trading firm. They are companies that provide traders like me and you with access to capital in exchange for a share of the profits you generate. So for example, if you're a good trader, a prop firm may give you $100,000. If you trade and make $10,000 in profit, depending on your agreement, you might keep $6,000 and they keep $4,000. I also think it's important to distinguish between traditional prop firm and these online prop firms which have gained popularity only recently. So traditional prop firms allocate real capital to a trader who is physically present at the firm's workplace. They usually have lots of training, support, and sometimes provide a regular salary. Think of it as a full-time job. It's highly competitive to get into, and most want to see prior experience with a positive track record. So online prop firms is a fairly new concept, and they only really emerged quite recently, maybe around 5 to 9 years ago. So some common examples could be FTMO, 5%ers, Funded Next, FXify. These firms operate differently from traditional prop firms by requiring traders to pass a challenge before being granted a funded account. The capital provided is all virtual, it's not real, and traders can participate remotely from anywhere in the world. In today's video, I'm mainly talking about online prop firms like FTMO, and I'm assuming these are the type of companies that you want to be funded with. So in order to get access to a funded account, you'll need to pass what they call an evaluation challenge. These firms typically evaluate a trader's skill through a challenge or an evaluation process, where traders must meet specific performance criteria, such as reaching a profit target without violating risk management rules. So a common example would be you need to make 10% profit without losing more than 10% of the account. So there's a few reasons why these challenges are becoming popular. So one of the main reasons why people take these challenges is because of leverage. So most of us retail traders probably don't have hundreds and thousands of dollars to trade with. We might have a couple $100 or a few $1,000s to start with. So if you think about it, if you're trading $1,000 of your own money, in order to make real money, you're probably going to have to take huge risks and flip the account. But when you trade with a lot more capital, you can make a lot more money without having to take on board huge risk. The other reason why there's demand for these challenges is because you're not risking your own money. The only money you have to lose is the $500 fee for taking the challenge in the first place. It's a perfect way for traders to scale up without needing to take a huge amount of personal capital or take huge risk. So you might also be thinking, how do you actually make money from these prop firms? Well, when you pass a challenge, you'll receive what they call a funded account. And once you make profits on this account without breaching any of their trading rules, you can request a payout. Payouts are usually monthly or bi-weekly. Once you request a payout from your dashboard, the prop firm will review your trading account, calculate your profit split, which is usually around 70 to 80% of your profits. They will then distribute this money to your bank account, usually through a platform like Rise. Now, it sounds exciting, and it is, but before you go off and buy a challenge, I thought I'd share some things I wish I knew before starting. So first, you need to read all the rules really carefully. Every prop firm has their own set of rules you need to follow, and breaking even one can disqualify you from the challenge. So some examples of rules could be you can't open and close trades during high impact news, you can't hold trades over the weekend, or you can't trade specific instruments. Most prop firms will lay out their rules on their website and FAQ section, and if you're not sure of something, make sure to use their live chat to clarify. The worst thing that you can do is buy an expensive challenge, trade really well, and then fail the challenge because you breached some rule that you weren't aware of. The other thing is you also want to focus on risk management. It's tempting to go for big wins and try to pass a challenge as quickly as possible, but staying within the max loss limits is key to passing. A lot of people fail their challenges because they hit their max daily loss, and it's one of those things where if you're managing your risk properly, the max daily loss really shouldn't be hit. The other thing is if you pass a challenge and you took too much risk to pass, the prop firm may actually deny your account in the end. Oh, by the way, if you're thinking about which prop firms to trade with, I have done some reviews of different prop firms like FTMO, 5%ers, Funding Pips, FXify. You can click on the playlist on screen to check those out. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, don't forget to leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out as best I can. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.